नमस्ते बिटिया, खुश रहो। आई एम जेवियन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथडोलॉजी, प्रोग्राम एमएससी मैथमेटिक्स सेकंड सेमेस्टर, कोर्स नेम न्यूमेरिकल कंप्यूटेशन। टॉपिक ऑफ टुडे इज difference operator, finite difference. In numerical analysis, we study the method for calculating the numerical solution of problem in applied mathematics and engineering to a desired degree of accuracy. Let us suppose y is equal to fx be a functional relation between independent variable x and the dependent variable of y. The value of the independent variable x are called argument and the corresponding value of dependent variable y is called entry. Hence, the calculus of finite difference deals with the change in the value of entry due to change in argument. Let us suppose y is equal to fx be a function where argument x can be taken equidistant values a plus h, a plus 2h, dot, a plus nh. The corresponding values of y will be fa plus h, fa plus 2h, fa plus nh respectively. The difference fa plus h minus fa is called the first difference of fa and is denoted by delta of fa. Similarly, next one fa plus 2h minus fa plus h, and again similar, called the differences respectively. Delta fa is equal to fa plus h minus fa. Delta fa plus h is equal to fa plus 2h minus fa plus h. Delta fa plus 2h is equal to fa plus 3h minus fa plus 2h. Dot. Similarly, delta fa plus n minus 1h is equal to fa plus nh minus fa plus n minus 1h. In general, we conclude the difference of fx is defined by delta fx is equal to fx plus h minus fx, where delta is a operator or difference operator. The difference of the first forward difference are called the second forward difference of the function value of, in other word, operating delta on first forward difference, second forward difference of the function value are obtained. Second forward difference delta fa plus h dot denoted by delta 2 fa plus h. Thus, delta 2 fa is equal to delta fa. Delta operate, we get delta fa plus h minus fa. Again operating the delta fa plus h minus delta fa, and putting the value of delta fa plus h minus delta fa minus h, we get the value fa plus 2h minus fa plus h minus fa plus h minus fa is equal to fa plus 2h minus 2 fa plus h plus fa. Similarly, in this process, delta 2 fa plus h can be calculated, and getting the value of delta 2 fa plus h is equal to fa plus 3h minus 2 fa plus 2h plus fa plus h. Similarly, we can find delta 2 fa plus 2h etc. In general, delta 2 fx is equal to delta fx is equal to delta fx plus h minus fx is equal to delta fx plus h minus delta fx is equal to, again putting the value and we get fx plus 2h minus 2fx plus h plus fx. We continuing the process to define the third forward difference h delta 3fx, then operate delta on delta 2fx and putting the value of delta 2fx which was calculated earlier and operating again delta, we get delta 3fx, or the value will be fx plus 3h minus 3f x plus 2h plus 3fx plus h minus fx, or we may define as delta cube fx is equal to fx plus 3h minus 3fx plus 2h plus 3fx plus h minus fx. Similarly, the higher order forward difference are defined in general. The nth forward difference of fx is denoted by delta n fx is equal to delta n minus 1 fx plus h minus delta n minus 1 fx. Thus, we see that each higher difference can be given in terms of the preceding differences. Here, it is noted that fx be a function of x and x is equal to a be the first argument, then fa is the first entry and is called leading term. Also, the difference delta fa, delta 2 fa dot 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 are called the leading differences. Here delta is an operator, but delta 2 is not the square of operator. Indeed, delta 2 means delta operator by delta, that is repetition operator. Similarly, backward difference, the difference fx minus fx minus h is called the first backward difference. At first, ascending difference of fx and is denoted by delta fx. Thus, delta fx is equal to fx minus fx minus h. Here, delta is something different from the above delta. The operator delta defined by one is known as the backward difference operator. The backward difference of first backward difference delta fx is called the second backward difference of fx and is denoted by delta 2fx and is given by delta 2fx is equal to delta fx. Delta fx minus h, again operating the delta on both and putting the value, we get fx minus 2fx minus h plus fx minus 2h. We continuing this process and getting the delta cube fx by operating delta 2 on delta fx, and we get fx minus 3fx minus h plus 3fx minus 2h minus fx minus 3h. In the similar way, we can calculate delta to the power n fx and getting delta n minus 1 delta fx is equal to delta n minus 1 fx minus h, or again operating delta n minus 1 on both delta n minus 1 fx minus delta n minus 1 fx minus h. I hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.